What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed a form to generate leads made on Brevo into your WordPress website. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Brevo on app.brevo.com, log in and get the form codes. In the previous video we did learn how to create the form. Now let's copy the form codes. I'm gonna leave a link into the video description and into the card below so you can review and learn how to create it. Go to marketing, forms. Here's my form. I'm gonna click on it. Let's move to share. Here is the QR code of the form, the iframe of the form, and the HTML of the form. I'm gonna copy the HTML of the form, just like this. Go to my WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on your WordPress website, go to the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over page and hit the submenu add page or go to a previously made page, okay? Hit the plus button right here and go to your widgets and search for custom HTML, this guy right here. Edit HTML, place the code right here. Here's the preview, update, and here is the code on your page. Now your page have the form, the sign up. Anyone on your site gonna be able to complete this step and have their email added to your list, subscribe to your newsletter, for example. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!